Hi, I'm Mike from Mad About the Rhythm. In a minute, I will tell you about some theory that goes along with guitar, tablature, notes, stuff like that. But first, please remember to place a like if you like the video, or you can also subscribe to my channel. So, I'd first like to let you know about notes used in the guitar. Well, actually, they're used for all sorts of music, but specifically for guitar. Starting off with the semibreve. This counts as 4 beats. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the minimum, which is 2 beats, 1, 2. And we have a crotchet that is 1, and the quaver that's half 1. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how we can use mimins and crotchets in 4/4 beats and 3/4 beats. Let's start with the 4/4 beats. Okay. So 4 crotchets make 4 beats. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, a crotchet is 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now over here we've got crotchets and mimins. Remember, a crotchet is 1 beat and a mimin is 2 beats. So to make 4, we go 1, 2, and a mimin, which is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Or we can put the other way around, 1 mimin and 2 crotchets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we can use 2 mimins. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you can put the mimin in the middle. So you have a crotchet, a mimin, and a crotchet. Then of course there's the semibreve that has timing of 4. So 1 semibreve is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here on the right hand side we're going to go over the 3/4 beat tempo. Mainly used for waltz. It goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, in crotchets where we have 3 ones, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or we can have a crotchet and a mimin, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or vice versa, a mimin and a crotchet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, this is called a guitar tablature. We use it to read individual notes whilst playing the guitar. As you can see on the side, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 being the thinnest string in the bottom E. 2 being the B. Remember, every boy gives daddy an elephant. The 6 is the big E. Okay, the 6 is the thick E. Now, suppose I want to show how I'm going to put in an E on the thick string, the 6th string E, which is an open string. For that, I will have to put on the bottom line a 0. If I want to show how to play a G on the E string, the same string, I will put in a number 3 on the bottom line, because there are 3 frets. You press 3 frets to get to the G. 0 is open E, F is 1, F sharp is 2, and the G is 3. Now, if I want to show an open A, which is the string below the E, I'll just have to put a 0 on the 2nd line from the bottom. Now you use all the other lines the same way. If you want to use the D string, use the 3rd line from the bottom. If you want to use the G string, the 4th line from the bottom, the 5th string from the bottom for the B string, and the thin E on the top string, on the top line. And you do the same system with the same numbers for all those. Well, I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, if you did, please don't forget to put on a a like, or you can subscribe and watch my playlist for more tutorials. I'm Mike from Mad About the Rhythm.